Now this is the 1x Deore crank, and it looks lovely. Brand new. Now normally, I've not seen these things come with them before, but I'm just presuming those just go on before up against the bottom bracket and just provide some extra weather sealing, I would imagine. So I'm just going to grease this, push this through, and then I'll talk you through what I am doing as regards to tightening up so there's no play. This is still loose, is you put this preload nut in there. It's only a plastic nut, and then I have a tool on my crank tool that is going to just tighten that up, and you just tighten it up just enough so you don't have any play. And then when you've got rid of the play, then you just tighten those alternate. And because if you tighten this too hard, you're going to compress the bearings too much, and then you'll have resistance in your crank spinning, and that's what you don't want. So just tighten that up until you've got rid of the play, and then just alternate those two nuts there. So this is the tool I have. So that fits bottom brackets as well. And this end, you can see that it's just, you just tighten it with your fingers. Fingers, that's what that wheel's for. So you just do that to get rid of the play, like I say, and then tighten those Allen bolts up. Perfect.